I know I haven't been here for a while. I am so sorry. But I wanted to talk to you guys today about coffee. I love Phillz. One of my favorite places to get coffee is Phillz Coffee. I love it so much. And I also have the Starbucks grounds. I like Pike's Place. I like their breakfast blend. I make that at home, which you will see in a second. Sometimes Peets is a little too, it's okay for me, my taste. Last time I drank it, my heart rate went up. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's not, if worse comes to worse, I will get a Peets coffee. Put it that way. Lately, since I've been on the go, I love making coffee at home. I went ahead and bought this. It's the Mr. Coffee ice machine. I think it went viral on TikTok, and that's not the reason why I got it. I got it because I was on, I think, just Googling, I'm like, man, I don't have time sometimes to get coffee at, at these places because, once COVID hit, the hours are shortened and I get off work and I don't have time to run and get coffee. It's like, I might as well get a coffee machine maker. So I found that it was inexpensive. I had a Target account. I saw the ice coffee machine at Target and it cost, I think at the time, $30. And I went ahead and invested in one. I've been using it for probably like a good year now, I believe. Since I've gotten it, I feel like I saved a lot of money from it. Sometimes I go to Phillz Coffee and I get like ground, I forgot which one I get. I'll probably put it here, but I go ahead and buy ground the coffee, and I pay for that service. And then I go to Target, I get the grounds for, Pike's Place, I get the grounds for breakfast blend, two of my favorites. And I got the fall blend too, which is a limited edition. That one's not bad. It's actually really nice. I was worried that was gonna be like a little too cinnamony and spicy, but actually it's just right. So if you're ever at Target and you see the fall blend, I recommend that you give it a try, because I know a lot of people are obsessed with autumn and fall. And I'm about to show you how I make my coffee from home. What made me want to go ahead and get one was, of course, I didn't have the time after work to grab some, and I can make it at home and like leave out the door. And also I was watching Kim Tai. I really like her videos. She was saying that the average person in a month spends over $180 on coffee. That's a lot of money. I love my coffee. I have it every morning sometimes, but this is something I made and I'll show you a video on how I did it. And I added some cinnamon to it as well. So I'm going to show you right now how I make coffee. You guys like that video on how I make coffee. So if you see the iced coffee machine, go get it. If you love iced coffee and you love drinking iced coffee and you don't have time to run places and you want to make it from home, this is the machine for you. And if you're looking to save money, this is the machine for you. All you have to do is buy your favorite ground coffee and make it at home. So yeah, that's it for today. I just want to show you, I love making coffee. I love coffee, and I hope you give what I did a try. It's really delicious. And I also want to go on here and say thank you to some of you who wrote me while I haven't been uploading. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I want to thank you guys so much, and thank you for the new subscribers. I'll try to be consistent. You know, if you guys want to see anything, let me know. Someone just wrote me and said they wanted to see more hair videos. I could definitely do that, but I will say I still love the Just So leave-in conditioner, which I'm leave-in conditioner and hair oil, which I'm still wearing at the moment. I wear it every day. It's a religion. Like, I love it so much. So if you're at Sephora, check it out. Just So I have a whole video on it, so it's the one before this one, of course. So again, I want to thank you guys for subscribing and for commenting on my videos. It means the world. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.